So, I'm at the beach. This is Heacham South Beach in Norfolk. Not far from where I live, about 30 minutes or so. So, nice big beach there. This is the wash. There's a nice view of the sun there. So there's all like caravans over the back there, beach huts. There's my kids, Ben and Alessia, running to the beach. There's loads of like seagulls and stuff out there, thousands of them. Yeah, zoom in a little bit. Nice day. Be nice watching the sunset over the back there. So that's like we live sort of the other side of the water there, just around this side. So Hunstanton's just up there. Other side of the water over there, other side of the wash is sort of Skegness. So anyway, the reason I'm doing this video is a little while ago I said about in the summer this year, once we've moved, all sorted, I'll get a van. So what I want to do, get a little project, sort it all out for the winter, and then come sort of spring, summer, I'll start doing a lot of like vlogs out and about around England, Wales, Scotland, probably into Europe. So I thought fuck it, and I've just bought this. It's a VW T4 Transporter. Needs a few little bits doing to it, just a bit of tightening up really, but it's a sweet looking rad. So it's got like some old sign writing marks in the window. I need to get rid of all this stuff. I'll probably tint these windows out. It's got some nice alloys on it, big wheels. It's got like a roof rack on the top. I was thinking of getting rid of this, but what I might do is get rid of that one and keep these two, so in the summer I could stick a roof box on it for when we go camping. So in the back it's all sort of carpeted, ply lined, all ready to roll. It's got a spare tyre there. So there's two seats in the back, they're removable, I can take them out, they're factory fitted. It's pretty, just needs a good clean up really. It's got a big bore exhaust on it, it's full stainless steel system. It's got lowering springs on it, like Coney shock absorbers. I don't know if you can see the springs and that in there, and the shocks. But in the side door, there's the two seats. So what I'm thinking about doing is this sort of area here, I'm going to put like a little kitchen in. So there'll be like a 2-ring cooker, sink. The back here, this side, I'll probably put like a wardrobe in, storage units, leisure battery. And in the back, sort of where that is now, I'll put in a rock and roll bed, so there'll be 2 seats for the kids when we're out and about, and then at night it will be like a double bed. So what we'll do, me and Emma will be sleeping in here, and the kids will get them a little pop-up tent and or whatever, swap around. So in the front, again, just needs a little bit of a clean up really. Yeah, it's got a Pioneer sort of USB iPod-y type stereo, which I've got my phone plugged into. But yeah, it's quite nice. This needs a good clean up in the summer, or when it gets a bit warmer I'll clean these seats up. Yeah, it's not bad condition. There's a few little scabs on the seals, sort of like down the bottom here, but what I'll do, I'll rub all that down and underseal it. There's a bit of a dent in that door. I'll make that look good. It's got these deadlocks in. I've got the keys to them, so I might keep them on anyway. It's not a lot I can do with them, to be honest. But yeah. That is the Manifesto T4. Alright, so back to the beach. So yeah, you'll be seeing plenty more of this in the summer. We'll go to lots of beaches and stuff and visit lots of cool places, and you'll be seeing a lot more of that. So for now, I'm just going to have a little catch up with the kids, let them play on the beach for a little bit, and then we'll head back home. I've got a live vlog tonight. It's Saturday, so I'll probably be putting this up on Sunday. So yeah, tonight I'm doing a live vlog and like a live stream, full guitar unboxing. So hopefully you'll have watched that by now, and I'll leave you with a cool view of the sun and the sea. So for now, thanks for watching. Peace out.